The opening of this applied engineering building represents a lot more than just adding another facility to our campus. At 90,000 square feet and $75 million, this investment represents a transformational leap in how we are going to prepare our students for real-world careers in advanced manufacturing, in robotics, in automation, and in smart technologies. This building is going to be a hub for engineering education, research, and workforce development that will enhance economic prosperity in this region and throughout the country.
Now at MTSU, we take great pride in our ability to develop programs that are career-focused and relevant to the economic and the employment needs of the state and this nation. Never has that commitment has been truer than it is today, as we celebrate the completion of this much anticipated project. Just last week, I had the chance to see this building. To say I was blown away, ladies and gentlemen, is an understatement. With each new lab or classroom, I saw innovation and a commitment to a comprehensive student experience. I saw hands-on learning environment that was engaging and focused on the needs of our students. This was truly a facility that would change lives.
I also want to thank the administration and the generous donors and industry partners who have made this new building possible. Your vision and investment have given students access to cutting-edge tools and technologies that reflect what we'll use in industry. And even more importantly, you've given us a space that inspires creativity, collaborative innovation, and very impactful service to our communities.
To all our students, this is your space. To our faculty, this is your new platform. And to our partners and supporters who are going to continue to support us through the years, this is your legacy.
This building will serve thousands of future engineers, and I feel incredibly lucky to have been one of them. Go Blue Raiders!